everybody, welcome to another video on Minecraft, where today we are just going to be playing some Minecraft. Hopefully it won't be laggy like it was, and this is my creative OBS. My server doesn't seem to, isn't getting donated, sadly. So yeah, oh yeah, I'm not lagging. Beast? Am I still recording? Yeah? Oh, this is Beast! So yeah, this would be your spawn here. But sadly, we're not getting donated, so this server might just go. This might not even be a server. So yeah, this is it's quite sad to that, but it's probably not going to be a server. Mainly one reason is because I kind of struggle making servers. I've tried to make some before. You guys don't know. I tried to make one with Jay Slays. You guys don't know him, please go out and check his channel. He's great YouTuber. Jay Slays, sexy gamer. Jay Slays, the sexy gamer. That's him. He hasn't recorded for a while apparently. So yeah. So in this server, basically, I've just kind of had a few more ideas. What I could do. And ooh, like Spike. I sounded like Wally or something. Ooh, ooh. So No! You do bad deals, man. You do very bad deals. I don't like you. Why can I not hit you anymore? The hole. Massive hole. Oh, I killed you. Now, let's just do some fun. Let's just spam this mouse. Let's go down and let's just dig. Oh, I can't dig. No, down. Naughty. Let's just kill this dude. Let's go like this. And let's go like this. Guys, I think I broke the game. I'm pretty sure I'm lagging out my game a bit as well. Where did I put them? Oh, there, that was it. Down there. That doesn't sound too good. I think I should, Let's just wait. Nobody needs to know it was me, okay? Let's look at blacksmiths. Hey, guess what? Trolled! What? This is the luckiest chest I have ever got in my life. Oh my god. Guys, should we try this again? But this time this will be like survival series? Holy crap, that was lucky. Holy crap. Found 2 diamonds in a blacksmith's. And I got it on record. Oh my god. That's crazy. Oh, wow. That is the luckiest blacksmiths ever. Oh my god. I actually just found them. I actually just found 2 diamonds in a blacksmith's. If you think that's just luck or I've broke my game, leave a comment saying if you think that broke. And I think I'm gonna end this episode here. Go back and watch that. Because wow, that was just crazy. My god, I can't believe I actually found them. 2 diamonds in what? How? How? How did I find 2 diamonds in a blacksmith? If any of you have done that before, please leave a comment and like. And oh wow, that was just, I can't believe that happened. And peace.